Hello and welcome to Chic and Style. My name is Sylvia Wanjaw. Fellas, fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's also about what you shouldn't wear. Today we're breaking down 10 biggest fashion don'ts for men so you can upgrade your style game instantly. Number 1, don't wear clothes that don't fit. Baggy jeans, too tight shirts, ill-fitting suits, big no. Fit is everything, whether casual or informal. Number 2, don't overdo logos. Head to toe branded? Not classy. A small logo? Fine, but keep it subtle. Don't be a walking billboard. Number 3, don't forget grooming. Messy nails, untamed beard, unkempt hair. Even the best outfit won't save you. Grooming is part of your look. Number 4, don't wear dirty shoes. Outfit on point, but sneakers looking like they've survived a war. Shoes matter more than you think. Number 5, don't mix too many patterns. Checks, stripes, florals, all in one look. It gets messy. Stick to one statement pattern and keep the rest simple. Number 6, don't over accessorize. Chains, rings, bracelets, sunglasses, watches, all at once? Overkill. Less is more. Pick 1 or 2. Number 7, don't wear socks with sandals. Unless you're making a bold fashion statement at Fashion Week, just don't. It's a style crime. Number 8, don't ignore occasion dressing. Gym clothes at dinner, flip-flops at a wedding. Always dress for the setting. Comfort and respect go hand in hand. Number 9, don't wear overly distressed clothing. A little ripped jeans, cool. Huge holes everywhere, look sloppy. Balance is key. Number 10, don't forget confidence. Even the sharpest suit won't look good if you're slouching or unsure. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. So, those are the 10 men's fashion don'ts. Avoid these and your style immediately levels up. Which mistake are you guilty of? Drop it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more style breakdowns.